Hello everyone, this is HTJ Halloween, and today I purchased Floating Ghost Girl. I was thinking about buying the hay bale popper, but it really came down to looking at the two in stores, and I came to the decision to buy this one. So I am going to show you guys how to set her up, and first we're going to take all the parts out of the box. So here is the Floating Ghost Girl box. It looks pretty cool. So I'm actually going to show you guys the unboxing part of it. I normally don't unbox on camera, but I'm going to go ahead and do that today. So here's what it looks like right when you open it. Looks pretty cool. So I'm going to take this stuff out. This off. It was glued to the side, so I had to undo that. And here is the adapter. Here it is. I think this is the module, I guess, with the wall attachment. Here is the body with the arms and all that stuff. And the feet are attached to this piece on the body. And the instructions. The parts include the module, the body, head, and feet, and the adapter. Attach the module pole to the corresponding socket on the body. Then screw them together. Connect the cables coming from the module to the cables coming from the body. Then find a wall suitable for Floating Ghost Girl. Screw the Floating Ghost Girl into a stud. Make sure not to screw her into just drywall because it will probably break the wall. Floating Ghost Girl can be activated with step pad or motion activation. Choose which one you want and your setup is complete.